स्टूडेंट्स, ट्रायंगल्स चैप्टर्स में लास्ट क्वेश्चन 6.2 का 6.2 का क्वेश्चन था। लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो रह गया था, उसके बाद फिर हमें 6.3 करना है। क्वेश्चन था द डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD। क्वेश्चन लिखना आप लोग बुक से देखेंगे। द डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, then show that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. Look here, I'm going to make the figure. A B C D. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O. Look here, they are diagonals. Diagonals intersect each other at point O. Okay. Now, such that it is given. What is given? Given AO by BO. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Then we have to prove to show ABCD is trapezium. यहाँ जैसे ही हमने क्वेश्चन समझ लिया, सबसे पहले मेरे दिमाग में आएगा हाउ कैन वी प्रूव दैट ABC it is trapezium. For being a quadrilateral trapezium, the required condition is any two opposite pair sides, any one pair opposite sides are parallel to each other, only parallel, not equal. Okay, so we have to prove AB or CD are parallel to each other, or AD and BC are parallel to each other. Okay, but we know that since AO and BO diagonals and it is given AO, AC and BC are diagonal and it is given AO by BO and CO by OD, so we can't prove AD parallel to BC. So let us try to prove AO parallel to CD. Okay, for this we have to make some construction, and this construction is from point E, draw a line parallel to AB. Look here, this is our construction. From O, draw a line parallel to AB. Next, proof. Consider triangle ACB in which OE parallel to AB by construction. Then if we apply the Thales theorem in this triangle, we will get AO by OC is equal to AO by OC is equal to BE by EC. BE by EC. Now look here, AO by OC is equal to BE by EC because OE parallel to AB. But in our question number, this is equation number 1, but it is given AO by DO is equal to OC by OD. Now by the cross multiplication we can write A by the class AO into OD is equal to OC into DO. And now we should write AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. This is equation number 2. Now make comparison between equation 1 and equation 2. Both left hand side is AO by OC. AO by OC. So right here BE by EC and we get BE by EC and BO by OD. After getting this expression, we can say that if we apply in triangle BCD Thales theorem or converse of the Thales theorem, so we can write by converse of BPT theorem, we can say that OE parallel to DC. OE parallel to DC. Now look here, since AO AB parallel to OE by construction, and I've just proved here OE parallel to DC, then if we combine with each other, अगर ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल और ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल तो ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल होंगे, then AB parallel to DC, and in any quadrilateral the pair opposite sides are parallel to each other. If we got the proper information or we are able to prove this information, so you can say that quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium. Actually you have to adjust because I have a very small green board. It is not my, it is my daughter's green board. And now we will start the new exercise 6.3. NCERT exercise 6.3. It is given, state which pair of triangles in the given figure are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by your for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. देखो इस क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है कि ट्रायंगल सिमिलर तो होंगे, अगर ये हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं, जैसे कंडीशन ए सिमिलरिटीज, एस सिमिलरिटी, या ऑल थ्री साइड्स आर इन सेम रेशियो, अगर हम ये प्रूव भी कर ले तो प्रूव करने के बाद हमें ए बी सी सिमिलर टू पी क्यू आर अगर है तो पी क्यू आर लिखना, क्यू आर पी नहीं लिखना, बिकॉज वी मस्ट थिंक दैट अगर आपने बोला ट्रायंगल ए बी सी सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर, इट मीन्स A corresponding part is P, B corresponding part is Q, and C corresponding part is R. So if we write here AB by PQ and BC by QR is equal to AC by PR, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. If any conditions, if you write triangle ABC similar to triangle QPR, or some students told me several times, sir क्या हो गया, ABC बोले या ABC triangle PQR बोले या QPR बोले तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? फर्क पड़ता है, अब इससे ये फर्क पड़ता है कि एंगल ए का कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड आपने इसमें क्यू शो कर दिया, एंगल बी का कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड आपने पी शो कर दिया, बट एक्चुअल में एंगल ए का कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड पी है, बी का क्यू है, सी का आर है, ए बी का कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पी क्यू है, बी सी का क्यू आर है एंड ए सी का पी आर है। तो इन सब चीजों का ख्याल रखते हुए हमें करना होगा, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट द 0 मार्क्स if your sequence will be changed. Okay, now this is a very easy question and you can solve. Look here in the first figure, it is given two triangles in such a way. This is given A, this is B, this is C, and this is P, Q, R. Look here, this angle is equal to 60 degree, this is 60 degree, 80, this is 80. Look here, if two angles are given 60, 60, 80, 80, so there is no need to give third angle also. Automatically you can calculate 60 plus 80, 140, so it must be equal to 40 degree, and this is also 40 degree because we know that the sum of all angles in any triangle is equal to 180. Then these two triangles are similar to each other because all angles are equal, all corresponding angles are equal. And one thing more, in a similar triangle, in some cases, in some question, it may be written equiangular triangles, equiangular triangle also. So we will write here triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Why? Because angle A and angle P both are equal to 60 degree. Angle B and angle Q are both are equal to 80 degree. Angle C and angle R both are equal to 40 degree. Okay. Now second question. This is A similarity condition. First, second is given 2, 3, 2.5. P, Q, R. This is 6, 5, and 4. Look here. 6, 4. Only the length of the sides are given. AB is given 2 and QR given 4. If we 2 multiply by 2, we get 4. Okay. BC given 2.5 and RP is given 5. 2.5 multiplied by 2 we get 5. Next CA is given 3 and PQ is given 6. So if we multiply by 3 we get 6. So you can see here AB by QR is equal to AB by QR is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Next BC by RP is equal to 2.5 by 5 cancel, that is 1 by 2, and CA by PQ is equal to 3 by 6, 1 by 2. In this way you can see here all sides lies in a same ratio. So by SSS criteria, you can see that triangle A, B, C similar to Q, R, P, because AB is equal to 2, then just double QR is equal to 4. BC is equal to 2.5 and just double RP is equal to 5, and CA is equal to 3, then just double PQ is equal to 6. That's why we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP. Okay, now may I clean it? Our next question is question number 3. The figure is given LMP. LMP. This is 2.5. This is 2, and this is 3. Two 2.5, 3, and C. Now this is angle A, B, and C, and one more triangle is given in this way. Five. This is 80. This is 6. D, F, E. Now make the comparison between these two. AC, CB, and BA. AC, CB, and BA. This is 2.5 and 3, and that angle is given 80 degree. Look here. This is BC is equal to 3 and EF is equal to 6, just double. Okay. AB is equal to 2.5 and DF is equal to 5. It is also just double. But the angle is given, included angle between DF and EF. But in this triangle, it is not given the included angle between AB and BC. So you can't say that triangle ABC or this triangle is similar to this triangle, because we have required as criteria, two corresponding sides are in the same ratio and included angles must be equal. But two corresponding sides can seen by us, this is lies in a same ratio, but in one triangle included angle is given 80 degree, and in another triangle included angle, this is the included angle. For included angle we have no any information. That's why we can't say that these two triangles are similar to each other. In this way you can solve several questions. सभी questions को आप solve कर सकते हो. If you have any problem, 2-3 question मैंने शायद आप लोगों के लिए छोड़ दिया. अगर आपको फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो फिर आप सॉल्व पूछिएगा. नेक्स्ट question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. In the given figure, in the given figure, देखो look here. In the given figure, ODC similar to OPA. It is given triangle ODC, ODC similar to triangle OBA, and angle B, it is 125. Angle BOC is equal to 125 degree, and angle ODC is equal to 70 degree. Find DOC. DOC, this angle DCO, DCO ये एंगल, और फिर कौन सा एंगल OAB, OAB, ये तीनों एंगल्स मुझे बताने। देखिए क्लास 9th का ये बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन, दिस इज अ वेरी, look here, since 125 this angle is equal to 125, so angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125 by linear pair, then you can say that 55 degree. Now look here, since angle DOC is equal to 55 and angle ODC is equal to 70, then angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 55 plus 70, and by linear, because we know that the sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180, so right here 125 and we will get 55, again we will get 55, okay, again we will get 55. DCO is also 55 degree. Look here, next triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA, so angle OCD equals to angle OAB, because they are the corresponding part, but we have already calculated OCD is equal to 55 degree, and angle OAB is also 55 degree. That is our solution. It is very easy, okay. Now make it. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O using a similarity criteria for two triangles, so that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Look here, we have to use the similarity criteria, not we have to make a line parallel to AB or CD from point O. उस मेथड से जो हमने किया है उस मेथड से नहीं करना, because it is bounded us. We have to solve by similarity criteria also. Now look here, what is the given first? It is given ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium, and these two are the diagonals. The diagonals each intersect each other at point O. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD. It is given AB parallel to DC and diagonals each other. ठीक है? We have to prove that by similarity criteria. To prove by similarity criteria, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. OB by OD. Look here. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? Since these two lines are parallel, so angle ODC is equal to angle OBA by alternate interior angle. Next, these two angles are equal. Angle OCD is equal to angle OAB. By the same reason, since two angles are similar to each other, corresponding in two triangles, if two corresponding are equal, then we can say that by AA similarity both triangles are similar. But हाँ या आप ये भी कर सकते थे vertical opposite angle है, ये कोई भी एक दो करना है. Okay, now we can say that triangle ODC similar to triangle OCOBA. इस बात का ख्याल रखेंगे आप हमेशा कि हमारा जो corresponding पार्ट हो सेम है. अब देखो मुझे प्रूफ क्या करना है, OA. देखो ये OA है. नाउ राइट OA, तो इसमें भी उसी तरह से OC by OC. नेक्स्ट फिर क्या बोलना, OB, इसको लेना है OB. नाउ राइट हियर OB by, इसको लिखना. फिर अब जब हमने ये दोनों लिया तो इसको भी लेना by OD. Automatically you will get the result. Okay, hence proved. Now question number 3 था. Next we will start question number 4. ये सारे बहुत ही important question है NCERT के, और ये सारे question several times books में आ चुके हैं वही question examination में. In the given figure, ठीक है, in the given figure P T R S Q, this is 1 and this is 2. In the given figure, QR by QS, QR by QS and QT by PR, and it is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. To prove triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR, ये मुझे प्रूफ करना है. PQS similar to TQR. Okay, look at हम इसको कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे. It is given, ये तो given हमने लिखा ही है, QR by QS and QT by PR. It is given PR. सबसे ज्यादा लोचा यही पे है PR. Now look here. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. So what? If angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given, then triangle PQR PQR is an isosceles triangle. If this is isosceles triangle, then we can say that PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. So from the given equation, we can write QR by QS is equal to QT, and the place of PR we should write here PQ. अब देखो फिर से QR by QS QT by QP. Now if we consider triangle PQS and triangle TQR, we can see here triangle PQS. We can see here QR, this is QR by QS, corresponding part in the same ratio. Now QT by PQ, corresponding part is equal. Means two corresponding sides are in a same ratio. And look here, angle Q is equal to 1 are common for both triangles. If it is common from both, means included angles are also equal. So included angle, so by SAS criteria, triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. आप देख सकते हो किसी तरह का कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं, बीच में दोनों का क्यू आ रहा है, ये PQ ये साइड हो रहा है तो इसका कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड PQ है तो यहाँ पे, और QS ये है तो इसका कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड QR. In this way we are able to prove this question. Okay, now next question number, after question number 4 we have one question number 5. May I clean it? Question number 5, it is given S and T are points on the side PR and QR. S and T are 2 points on side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS, so that this, and it is given S and T are 2 points on the side PR and QR, okay, of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. It is given. Since angle P is equal to angle RTS is given, if we consider triangle RTS and triangle RPQ, angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS given, and angle R is equal to angle R common. So by A similarity, triangle R P Q similar to triangle R T S, hence proved. Thank you. I will solve some more question after some time.